Hey guys, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2022 in Portland, Oregon, and I'm here with Ed from NanoSurf, and he's got this interesting new product that he's going to tell us all about. Ed, take it away.
Yep. Hi, thanks. This is our new Drive AFM. We just released it about 2 years ago. It's a tip scanning AFM, meaning that X, Y, Z is all on the scan head. It's also innovative in that we use photothermal excitation, meaning this is the only tip scanning AFM that can be used on an inverted microscope. And we would use photothermal, especially in imaging in liquids. So if you wanted to image biological cells, DNA, things like that, you can do that on an inverted microscope.
Wow. Is this the whole unit here, or are there other, like a power supply and other stuff?
Yeah, there's a controller. Sometimes we have a camera. It's extremely modular. But basically everything you need to image is right here in my hands.
So do you have your own software that goes along with this system?
Yeah, we make our own software, control software. Processing, you can use third-party software for that, but we do all the in-house software design ourselves.
Okay. Is this more geared towards biological uses?
Actually, the nice thing is you can use it for material science and biological sciences. So we also have a standalone version that would go for opaque samples. It has really high resolution scanner, so you can get atomic resolution with this unit. Also has a very large XY range, so you can also image large things like cells or biological materials like that.
So does this have any like sample holders, or specialized sample holders for specialized samples?
Yeah, we have a couple. We have one that can apply a variable magnetic field to the sample, in plane or out of plane. We have a heating or cooling sample holder if you wanted to heat up something or cool it down. We have electrochemical cells if you want to do anything electrochemical related. We have petri dish holders if you wanted to look at biological materials and keep those at the right temperature. Yeah, we have a lot of different accessories for this unit.
Well, that sounds good. So of all the, as you know, there are a lot of AFMs out there, a lot of AFM makers out there. What sets yours apart from all the other AFMs, and why should someone be gravitated towards yours specifically?
Two reasons. One that I mentioned before, that because it uses photothermal excitation, there's not a lot of AFM manufacturers that do that, and it can be used on an inverted microscope. So if you're really looking at biological materials, you have to have that. The other is that we just released a new mode earlier in the year called wave mode, which is a photothermal off-resonance tapping. So it has the force control of contact mode, but it doesn't apply any lateral shear to the sample. So you can look at really, really soft materials or materials that are not bound to the surface very tightly.
Okay. So if people are interested in your AFM, where should they go to find you?
You can go to our website. It's nanosurf.com, and we have all the information for all our AFMs there.
Okay, well, thanks a lot, Ed. This is Eric Miller from M&M 2022. We'll see you on the next one.